The name of this song is FLUCHTVöGEL, which means flying bird.
Everything to me. Wherever I look, wherever I go, I see a lot of good. However far away it seems close to me. Stark und schnell, Rische und Fried, ist mir der Mut, das Love ist so bald. Mir mag entrinnen den Tier in dem Wald. Das ist gar gelogen, ich bin schwer als in Lied. Spirit, that is how I run so fast. No animal in the forest can escape me. That is all a lie, for I'm as heavy as glass.
So, I would like to thank a lot of people. There's a lot of people who have made this concert possible. They know who they are, and I thank them deeply from the bottom of my heart. There's one individual I'd like to thank in particular who's made a huge difference to me personally in the arts, and to this concert in particular. Eugene Lyon has been our artistic director for this show, and I really give him a huge thank you. Eugene Lyon. I know he didn't want me to say that. So I'm going to start this last set with a singing in medieval German, as is my wont. And I first heard this piece just in German, and it's from the 11th century by a very famous composer in the love song tradition, the Minnesänger tradition of medieval Germany, Berenger von Horem and Horheim. And when I first heard this song in German, I thought, this has got to mean something really, really extraordinary. It was just it just sounded so beautiful to me. And me, who's originally a Cockney Englander, born in Hackney, London, you know. So I looked for a translation for this, and it was just the most impossible thing to find, any kind of an English translation for this German song. So I went to someone local on Hornby, Bernard Weiss, and Bernard, with the help of some of his European German friends, scholars, anyway, Bernard came up with a translation for this song, which is rather fantastic, that, because I believe this is the first English translation of this song, quite possibly, and probably the first English performance of this song from the 11th century. Written by this German nobleman who's got an incredible sense of humor, as you will discover in the last line of the song. So, anyway, this is